One of the most popular, or the more popular car on display in this our garage is this Toyota Corona pickup. Surprise! I was surprised also to learn that Toyota produced a Corona pickup before, and this is how it looked. Okay. The owner of this Corona really do a fantastic job of restoring it, and now it's here, owned by our garage and displayed for us to enjoy and learn more about classic car. So this is the back of the Corona. Back of the Corona. Oh, that's where you put your fuel. The Corona Deluxe emblem, still the original. This is the antenna. And as I said, the side mirror are in front. And the signal light here. There's a signal light here on the side and another signal light here. And this is the headlamp before. Well, the headlamp need some restoring job. But look at the bumper. The Corona logo. They already changed the mag wheel. And it's very roomy. And this is a very well restored car. See? That's how it is. I don't know whether the door is open or not. It's locked. Sorry. It's locked. When you look at the inside, let's find an angle to look at the inside. But look at the trim. Very well restored. Okay, this is the one of the more popular car on display here, and I see many people taking picture of the Toyota Corona pickup. We will try to feature other. Every time we visit here, we will try to feature some of the display here. As you can see, there is a lot. There is a lot. I think I will be featuring the Supra one by one. No? This is the Supra. Okay.